Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is the square root of x divided by x. This is equal to 5. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have the square root of x divided by x. This is equal to 5. Now we have that the square root of a, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of a half. Now applying this property, this follows that we can express square root of x. This is the same thing as x raised to the power of a half divided by x. This is x raised to the power of 1. Then this is equal to 5. The next step is that x to the power of a half divided by x to the power of 1. This is in the form of a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n minus m. Now let's apply this exponent property so that we have x raised to the power of a half subtract 1. This is equal to 5. Now x to the power of a half minus 1. This is the same thing as x raised to the power of negative a half. This is equal to 5. Now the next step is that x to the power of minus a half. This is in the form of a raised to the power of minus n, which we can express as 1 over a to the power of n. Applying this property, this implies that we have 1 over x raised to the power of a half. This is equal to 5. This is equal to 5. Now 5 is a whole number, so this is over 1. The next step is to cross multiply from here. So let's cross multiply. So the next step is to cross multiply from here. So we have 1 times 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of a half. Now we have 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of a half. The next step from here, let's square on both sides. So let's square on both sides from here. Now 1 square, this is 1. This is equal to 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of a half, then raised to the power of 2. We have that 5 times x raised to the power of a half raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a times b raised to the power of n, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. Now applying this exponent property, this implies we have 1. This is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of a half, then raised to the power of 2. So we have 1. This is equal to 5 squared. This is 25 multiplied by x to the power of a half raised to the power of 2. This means we eliminate. This is 2 and 2 simplifies. So we have 25 times x. And this implies that we have 1. This is equal to 25x. So let's divide both sides by 25 and also here by 25. If we simplify here, this implies that x is equal to 1 over 25. This is equal to 1 over 25. The next step from here is to verify. So let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that the square root of x divided by x, this should give us a value of 5. This should give us a value of 5. Now let's substitute the value of x here so that we have this is equal to the square root of x, which is 1 over 25 divided by 1 over 25. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. So the square root of 1 over 25, this is the same thing as 1 over 5. divided by 1 over 25. This should give us a value of 5. So we have here, this is 1 over 5 multiplied by 25 over 1. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. So we have here, let's simplify, 25 divided by 5. This is equal to 5. So we have that 5 is equal to 5. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x, which is 1 over 25, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.